everybody. Today we are going to practice for grade 2 national level science talent search examination. A doll is placed between a tree and a building. The doll is 13 centimeters away from the tree and 25 meters away from the building. How far is the building from the tree? That means it is 13 centimeters plus 25 centimeters.
Not centimeter, meters.
So the answer will be, whatever the answer is, it will be that. So we have to add 13 plus 25. That is equal to 20. I meant 38. So it's 38 meters between the tree and the building. High five! The picture graph shows different type of eatables that a group of children like. Study it carefully and answer the following question. How many candies are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 candies. How many noodles? As we know, this much is 9. Let's add how much is left. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Toffee. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And chocolate. Since there are 7 here, chocolate means 7 plus 3. That is 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. And each of these stands for 3. So that means you have to multiply all of them with 3. So that means 9 into 3 will equal to 27. So
go for question.
Okay. Each eatable is like the maximum number of children. Each eatable is like the maximum. Which eatable is the maximum of the children? So in here in candies there are 27. In noodles there is 15. Then 15 into 3, that is equal to 35. In toffees there is 21, and in chocolates there is 30. So it's noodles. Excellent. Rohit has 2 times as many pencils as Abela, Iqbal. Shilpa has 3 times as many pencils as
Iqbal.
If Iqbal has 7 pencils, the number of pencils all 3 have is. So Rohit has 2 times as many pencils as Iqbal. So Rohit has 40. And Shilpa has 3 times as many pencils as Iqbal. So she has 21. So let's add 14 plus 21. That is equal to 36. And 36 plus 7 is equal to 43. I meant 42.
See, it's 14 plus 21 plus 7. So basically it's 7 into 5. We are going to add 7 5 times here because 2 times Rohit has and 3 times Shilpa has and 1 time Iqbal has. So total we'll add 7 6 times.
Yep.
Or 7 into 6 you can do. 7 multiplied by 6.
Right on. Your class is collecting bottles of water for a service project. The goal is to collect 989 bottles of water. On the first day, Ria brings 5 packs with 8 bottles in each container. Suvarkal brings 7 packs with 8 bottles in each container. The number of bottles still needs to be collected is. So Ria brings 40 bottles of packs of water and Shutilka brings 56 bottles in each container. So we have to add 40 plus 56. And then minus it with 289. So 40 plus 56 is 96 minus 289. So let's do it together on a piece of paper. 289 minus 96. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. 8 you can't subtract with 9. It will borrow and become 18. 18 minus 9 is 9. 2 becomes to 1 and 1 goes down. 193 are left to bring. Brilliant. Meenakshi has 3 times as many pencils as Gautam. Surjit has 4 times as many pencils as Gautam. If Gautam has 3 pencils of number, if Gautam has 3 pencils, the number of pencils all 3 have is, that means Meenakshi can multiply the number.
So one way is like Meenakshi has 3 times, Surjit has 4 times. So total it will be 4 plus 3 7 and 1 time Gautam himself has. So total is 8. 8 times. Simple way to do it is 8 into 3. That will take less time. Or you can separately calculate like Meenakshi has 3 times as Gautam. So Gautam will be 3 into 3 9 plus Surjit has 4 times as Gautam. So Surjit will have 4 into 3 and then add 3. But this calculation is going to take more time. Simple way is to find out how many times in total and then do multiplication just once. So 3 for Meenakshi plus 4 for Sujit plus 1 for Gautam himself. So total 8.
So there are 8 into 3, that equals to 24.
Right. So this way you will do fast.
8 years ago, Nehi was 18 years old. How will she be in 7 years? So 18 years ago, she was 8 years old.
8 years ago she was 18 years old.
Oh, 8 years ago she was 18 years old. So now she'll be 8 plus 18, that equals to 26. And then 26 plus 7 we have to add. That will be the answer. That is equal to 33. You rock. Find the difference between 1 more than 33 and 77.
75.
And 75. 1 more than 33 is equal to 34. And minus 75 is equal to
75 minus 34.
So 5 minus 4 is equal to 1 and 7 minus 3 is equal to 7 minus 3 is equal to 4. So it's 41. Think above. Study the pictograph and answer the question that follows. One computer is equal to 3 computers. So this has 9 computers, this has 6 computers, this has 6 computers. If there is a total of 24 computers, the number of computers in class 4 should be. That means 24 divided by 3 is the answer, that is 8. So there will be 8 computers. Let's study the answer. There will be the total number of in class 4 should be 1. Step 1. We will give that this stands for 3 computers. So the number of computers 1 into equals to 3 into 3 9 computers. Next 2 into 3 6 computers. Third 2 into 3 6 computers. We also told that the total amount of computers are 24. Now we have to find the number of computers in class 4. The total numbers of computers in class 1, number of computers in class 2, number of computers in class 3, number of computers in class 4. 24 equals to 9 plus 6 plus 6, number of computers in class 4 equals to 24 equals to 21, number of computers in class 4. Number of computers in class 4 equals to 24 minus 21 equals to 3. Since 3 computers can represent by 1 computer. So there must be 1 in class 4. Look at the image. Find the height of the tree if the doll is 3 centimeters. If the stairs is 1 centimeter plus the doll 3 centimeters meters, that means that the doll's height will be this much will be 4 centimeters, 4 meters. And plus 13 more meters equals to 3. So 4 plus 13 is 17. So the tree is 17 meters tall. Brilliant. The Anchor video hit 272 in customers in the afternoon. This was 2 times as many customers as there were in the morning. How many customers were in the morning? So this means the customers in the morning is 272 divided by 2. So the answer will be the answer will be 136. Terrific. Kiran fills 2 jugs of water. The 2 jugs can only hold 724 milliliters and 978 milliliters of water respectively. Both the jugs can hold together milliliters of water. So we have to add 724 plus 978. That will equal to 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. 2 will go down, 1 will go up. 1 plus 7 is equal to 1. Let's do it from the starting again. 978 plus 724. 8 plus 4 is 12. 2 goes down, 1 goes up. 1 plus 7 is 8. Plus 2 is equal to 10. 0 will go down and 1 will go up. 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 7 is 17.
Okay. So how many liters and how many milliliters?
So 1000 liters.
1000 milliliters will become 1 liter.
Yeah. So 1000 liters.
So total is 1702 milliliters.
Yeah.
How will you convert it into liters and milliliters?
Yeah. So 1000 liters and 702 milliliters.
1000 milliliters. So that is 1 liter.
Yep. Alright, 1 liter and 702 milliliters. Great answer. Class the pictograph and answer the question that follows. So, 1 printer is equal to 5 printers. If there were a total of 55 printers, how many should class 4 have? 1 printer is equal to 5 printers. So, 55 printers divided by 5, 11.
Why are you dividing by 5?
Because 1 printer.
So we have to find out total of 5 total number of printers in class 4. Okay, and in total class 1 plus class 2 plus class 3 plus class 4 has 55 printers. Okay, so we'll figure out how many class 1 plus 2 plus 3 has. So it has 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 printers. Okay,
9 into 5 is equal to 45.
45.
So there are 45 printers. So the leftover will be how many printers are in class 4 divided by 5. So 45 plus 5 is equal to 50. Plus 45 plus 10 is 55. And
wait, so total are 55 printers. The printers taken by class 1, 2 and 3 are 45. Okay. So the remaining printers are left are
10.
10.
Divided by 5 is equal to 2.
Okay. Try.
Bravo! Find the difference between 1 more than 0 and 1 and 23. 1 more than 0 and 1.
0 and 1 nahi hai. It's 1.
Yeah, I know that. But
so that's not the way you pronounce 0 and 1. That's wrong. It's 1.
Okay.
If 0 comes before any number, it's the same number. Only when it comes after any number, the value changes. So in this case here, the 0 is before 1. So you pronounce it as 1.
So 1 more than 1 is and 23 is so that means 2 minus 23.
23 minus 2. We always subtract bigger number, smaller number from the bigger number, not the other way around.
23 minus 2 is equal to 21. So the answer is 21. Wonderful. The product video had 288 customers in the afternoon. This was 2 times as many customers as there were in the morning. There were how many customers in the morning? This will be as many customers. So it will be 288 divided by 2. that equals to 144. So there were 144 customers in the morning. Wonderful. Let's stop now. Thank you for participating with us.